And then on the advice for those that feel like they don't have enough, listen, I feel like I don't have enough. Saylor feels like he doesn't have enough. Nobody has enough Bitcoin, right? Like if money is your time and energy in an abstracted form, nobody has enough time and energy. I want to live forever, but I can't. And I think that's kind of like the dilemma that we're all served with in life is we love life, but we don't get an unlimited amount of it. It's the blessing and the curse. The fact that we all know we're going to die is what makes our life valuable in the first place. All right. I know I'm going to die. And it's for that very reason that I'm going to wake up in the morning and watch the sunrise. Is that for dinner, I'm going to have a steak and not cupcakes. Is that I'm going to fall in love, build relationship, prioritize others. That's why I value my life, is because I know my life isn't forever. If I was going to live forever, I'd go to the gym in 10,000 years. I'd get married in 100,000 years. I'd think about having kids in 1,000,000 years, right? It's the finite promise of life that allows me to value mine. And it's the same is true with money. If there's infinite amounts of dollars, how are you supposed to value your paycheck right now? But it's that finite promise of Bitcoin, which gives this duality that's so beautiful, is I'll never feel like I have enough. But at the same time, I'm able to really, truly appreciate the sats that I have.
And there's Jack Mallers. He's telling you he's never going to feel like he has enough, but he is appreciating every step along the way and every set that he has. Well, are you moving like Michael Saylor? Because he's not stopping. He's acquired another almost 52,000 Bitcoin at 4.6 billion, 88,000 per share, and now MicroStrategy is up to almost 331,000 Bitcoins. Are they going to hit 400K before the year is out? Time will tell how much more he will buy. We talked about that 100K party being another additional 100,000 Bitcoin. So will he buy another 49,000 before the year is out or more? Time will tell. Before we get started, go ahead and check us out at Bitcoin Bros 101. We have all our learning links, social links, our premium Patreon pass. We're doing call options there. You're missing out the gamma. We threw some calls out earlier today. A lot of them are in profit, some are in the money. So make sure you join the community.
Hey guys, sorry for the quick interruption, but if you're interested in trading MicroStrategy options, any other stock out there, Bitcoin, Solana, or any other crypto out there, you can now do that on MooMoo. And if you sign up with our affiliate link, which we pin in the comment section, also in the description below, when you sign up and deposit any amount, you're going to receive up to 20 free stocks, and each one of these stocks could be valued at up to $2,000. So make sure to sign up with MooMoo. Go get that free money. Now let's go ahead and get back to the video.
As mentioned, here's the link right here for the free stocks. Why don't you like free stuff? 15 free stocks, each value up to $2,000. And you can also join our exclusive premium Patreon to see how you can use that $2,000 to hop in a few plays. A few updates looking at TA Trader Allen, the weekly candle close. Most major cryptos have again reached new local highs or all-time highs like Bitcoin. This is a significant sign as it confirms the breakout candles from long consolidation ranges. And they've also noticed strength of an uptrend, not decreasing. So here's the beginning of the bull run. Look at Bitcoin. We had the confirmation, continuation, Doge, breakout, confirmation, continuation, Solana, breakout, confirmation, and now continuation. And this weekly chart is getting off the chain. Now you can look at this as a big inverse head and shoulders pattern. As you see, one shoulder, one head, another shoulder. This could be a huge cup and handle. We measured this before. We showed you the targets. Bitcoin could be getting ready to melt faces. An update from Astronomer. Look at this local bearishness that continues down to 83,000. The current time it's recording, Bitcoin's almost at 92,000. But if this does come into play, you better back the truck up, sell the house, sell everything you can, watches, anything, and load up down this 83,000. This could be the last pullback if it happens. The CME close is up around 92,000 where we're at right now. So if this comes to play, if we do get a rejection, come back down here, be prepared to go all in. And then MicroStrategy, melting faces, continue to melt faces, hit over 370 today. Current time this recording, 373. Still trotting its way up. This is from the Michael Saylor MicroStrategy purchase and acquisition of more Bitcoin. Are you in the MicroStrategy play? Once again, if you want to make some plays off of this, you can get free 15 stocks, each value up to 2,000. And that could be MicroStrategy. You can get some MicroStrategy, hop in some call options. We're doing calls on a weekly basis, guys. Why are you wasting free money? This is to be had, almost 374 at the current time it's recording. Look at the MicroStrategy price, and it looks like this is a bullish chart. We can't get no more bullish than this. We're just putting in higher highs and higher lows. The trend's your friend to the end. We haven't really seen a blow off top. We haven't seen a bearish divergence yet. This is on the 4-hour. Looking on the higher time frames on the weekly. Right now, we're in overbought territory, so we want to see this get back up over the 90 range. So if we get back up over the 90 range, this is still going to be extremely bullish because you see this is just going up and to the right. You know, we will get a cool off eventually, but if we sort of just stair step our way up and put a higher high in from this previous peak around 90, we don't see a divergence yet. And once again, we just continue to see a higher price action as expected. But if this comes back down, this could be some type of bearish divergence due to the higher highs and lower high in the RSI. Then we could get a cool off, a bigger cool off to the downside. But we want to sit here and watch to see how high this level goes. Once again, this is on the weekly. So the higher time frame, if it shows these divergences, the stronger and more apt that it will occur. Not 100% guaranteed, but right now, MicroStrategy is looking bullish still. And Michael Saylor says he needs to add more green dots. Well, he just added that today, as we talked about here. 331,200 Bitcoin. How much Bitcoin are they going to acquire? Now, if we do some quick math, 331,200 Bitcoins divided by the 21 million that will ever exist. Right now, they have 1.57% that will ever exist. So looks like they'll get towards that 2% threshold. Will they stop at 2? Will they get to 2.5, 3? Time will tell. He said he's buying every single top. And right here, you notice anything different about the trend in Bitcoin over share over the last quarter? Look what happened. Michael Saylor is getting FOMO, and this went up substantially. He's not playing around. And right here, are you psychopaths ready for a $500 MicroStrategy? We have some $500 calls that are running right now. They'll be in the money, and we will definitely entertain exercising or just locking in the profit. But you see all this is looking bullish on the way up. The trend's your friend to the end. Once again, are you in this unstoppable train? MicroStrategy at the current time of this recording, as mentioned, over 370. And the market cap right now, let's refresh this. MicroStrategy 374. Market cap is up to $84.19 billion. How many companies has it jumped today? US rank in the top 500 jumped 17. S&P jumped 16. NASDAQ jumped 6. MicroStrategy just keeps making itself more and more valuable. The NAV still at 2.76. Will we get a bump up past 3? Time will tell that. This is a massive day right here. Bitcoin balance 331.2. Bitcoin holdings value over $30 billion in Bitcoin. And the company valuation is almost triple that. So you see how overbought this stock is. The premium's getting up there, but there's a reason why, because this stock is going to be one of the most highly valued stocks, if not the most profitable company in the world when it's all said and done. 1.6% of the Bitcoin ownership. Are they going to get towards that 2% threshold, as we've mentioned? So with that, are you doing the Michael Saylor strategy and continuing the dollar cost average? The Bitcoin bros will say, you know, it's not that bad of a play if you decide to do so. And with that, I'm Sean with the Bitcoin Bros. You guys like this content, go ahead and smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and show us some love. We appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm out.